What's up everybody? It's your boy Gerhard back with another video, and today we're diving headfirst into the awesome world of hydroponics. We're talking about growing plants without soil. I know, right? Sounds like something straight out of Star Trek, but I promise you this is real. It's awesome, and it might just change the way you think about gardening forever. Now I know what you're thinking. Hydroponics sounds complicated. But trust me, it's way easier than you think. It's like building with Legos, only instead of plastic bricks you're using water, nutrients, and a little bit of know-how to create the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. So, whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out on your gardening journey, stick around because in this video, we're going to break down the top 10 easiest plants to grow hydroponically. We're talking about the kind of plants that practically grow themselves, leaving you with more time to, actually enjoy the fruits and veggies of your labor. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of hydroponics. We'll explore the best vegetables, herbs, and fruits to grow hydroponically, and share some tips for beginners on selecting their first plants. First up, we've got the hydroponic beginner's best friend, lettuce. This leafy green is like the hello world of hydroponics. It's fast-growing and doesn't need much space. Choose from endless varieties like crisphead, romaine, and red leaf. Fresh salad on demand, no more wilted lettuce. For beginners, lettuce is the way to go. Alright, moving on to our next hydroponic superstar, spinach. This leafy green is packed with vitamins, minerals, and iron. It loves growing in a hydroponic system. Ensure a constant supply of water and nutrients. It's worth the effort. Hydroponic spinach is tender and flavorful. No garden pests to worry about. Spinach comes in various types. Savoy spinach is great for pasta and smoothies. Flat leaf spinach is mild and great for salads. Baby spinach is perfect for omelets and stir-fries. Spinach is a healthy, delicious, and easy-to-grow hydroponic plant. Alright, let's move on to something a little more aromatic, shall we? Say hello to basil, the king of herbs, and a hydroponic rock star. Seriously, this herb was practically made for hydroponics. It's fast-growing, it loves water, and it rewards you with an abundance of fragrant leaves that will make your kitchen smell like an Italian pizzeria. Now when it comes to basil, there's a whole world of varieties to explore. You've got your classic sweet basil, which is perfect for pesto, caprese salads, and all things tomatoey. Then there's Thai basil, with its licorice-like flavor that's essential in Southeast Asian cuisine. And let's not forget about lemon basil, which adds a citrusy twist to cocktails and desserts. One of the best things about growing basil hydroponically is that you can easily control the humidity. Basil loves a humid environment, so if you live in a dry climate, growing it hydroponically can help prevent those leaves from drying out and losing their flavor. So if you're a fan of fresh herbs and want to add a touch of Italian flair to your hydroponic garden, basil is the way to go. Alright folks, next up we've got a plant that's practically impossible to kill, even if you forget to water it, though please don't. I'm talking about mint, the hydroponic Houdini, famous for its ability to escape pots and take over gardens. But don't worry, in a controlled hydroponic system, mint is your friend, not your foe. Now mint is a bit of a wild child, known for its vigorous growth and ability to spread like wildfire. But in a hydroponic setup, you can keep this herb in check while still enjoying its refreshing flavor and aroma. Plus, you'll have a never-ending supply of mint for your mojitos, teas, and desserts. Just like basil, mint comes in a variety of flavors to tantalize your taste buds. You've got your classic peppermint, perfect for adding a cool blast to drinks and candies. Then there's spearmint, a bit milder and sweeter, often used in toothpaste and chewing gum. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try chocolate mint, which has a subtle chocolatey aroma and pairs surprisingly well with desserts. One of the great things about growing mint hydroponically is that you can easily propagate new plants from cuttings. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance, high-reward hydroponic plant, mint is a great option. Alright folks, next up we've got a plant that's practically impossible to kill, even if you forget to water it, though please don't. I'm talking about mint, the hydroponic Houdini, famous for its ability to escape pots and take over gardens. But don't worry, in a controlled hydroponic system, mint is your friend, not your foe. Now mint is a bit of a wild child, known for its vigorous growth and ability to spread like wildfire. But in a hydroponic setup, you can keep this herb in check while still enjoying its refreshing flavor and aroma. Plus, you'll have a never-ending supply of mint for your mojitos, teas, and desserts. Just like basil, mint comes in a variety of flavors to tantalize your taste buds. You've got your classic peppermint, perfect for adding a cool blast to drinks and candies. Then there's spearmint, a bit milder and sweeter, often used in toothpaste and chewing gum. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try chocolate mint, which has a subtle chocolatey aroma and pairs surprisingly well with desserts. One of the great things about growing mint hydroponically is that you can easily propagate new plants from cuttings. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance, high-reward hydroponic plant, mint is a great option. Alright, buckle up folks, because we're moving on to the big leagues of hydroponics strawberries. These little red gems are like the royalty of the fruit world, and growing them hydroponically is like having your own personal strawberry patch, minus the dirt and the back-breaking labor. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Strawberries are a bit more high maintenance than some of the other plants on our list. They need plenty of light, consistent temperatures, and a bit more TLC to thrive. But trust me, the payoff is totally worth it. When you bite into a juicy, sun-ripened strawberry that you grew yourself, it's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. One of the coolest things about growing strawberries hydroponically is that you can grow them vertically. That's right, you can stack those strawberry plants up high, saving you precious floor space, and creating a stunning visual display in your hydroponic garden. Plus, vertical gardening improves air circulation, which helps prevent diseases and pests. So if you're up for a challenge and want to impress your friends and family with your hydroponic prowess, strawberries are the way to go. Alright, let's talk tomatoes, the darlings of the garden and a staple in kitchens around the world. And guess what? They absolutely love growing hydroponically. Imagine this. Juicy, vine-ripened tomatoes bursting with flavor all year round without ever having to till a single inch of soil. That's the magic of hydroponic tomatoes, my friends. Now, tomatoes are a little bit like that friend who always needs a helping hand. They're not high maintenance per se, but they do require some support as they grow. You'll need to provide them with stakes, cages, or trellises to climb, but trust me, the extra effort is worth it when you're harvesting pounds upon pounds of delicious tomatoes. One of the biggest advantages of growing tomatoes hydroponically is that you have complete control over their environment. You can dial in the perfect temperature, humidity, and nutrient levels to ensure that your tomato plants are living their best life. So, if you're a tomato enthusiast and want to experience the joy of growing these culinary treasures hydroponically, go for it! Alright, let's talk cucumbers, those cool, crisp, and refreshing veggies that are a staple in salads, sandwiches, and even spa treatments. And guess what? They thrive in hydroponic systems. That's right, you can enjoy the crunch of homegrown cucumbers all year round, without ever having to worry about those pesky cucumber beetles that love to munch on your plants. Now, cucumbers are like the climbers of the vegetable world. They love to vine and spread out, so you'll need to provide them with some sort of support to climb. But trust me, it's worth the effort when you're harvesting those long, slender cucumbers that are bursting with flavor. One of the best things about growing cucumbers hydroponically is that you can control their moisture levels. Cucumbers love consistent moisture, and in a hydroponic system, you can ensure that they're getting just the right amount of water and nutrients, resulting in plump, juicy cucumbers that are free from bitterness. So, if you're a fan of cucumbers and want to experience the joy of growing these refreshing veggies hydroponically, go for it. Alright, pepper lovers, this one's for you. Whether you like them sweet or spicy, peppers are a fantastic addition to any hydroponic garden. They're relatively easy to grow, they come in a rainbow of colors and flavors, and they add a kick to countless dishes. Now, peppers are a bit like that friend who loves to soak up the sun. They need plenty of light and warmth to thrive, so if you're growing them indoors, you'll need to make sure they're getting enough artificial light. But, trust me, the reward of fresh, homegrown peppers is worth the extra effort. One of the coolest things about growing peppers hydroponically is that you can control their spice level. That's right, by adjusting the nutrient levels and environmental conditions, you can actually influence how hot or mild your peppers will be. So, if you're ready to add some spice to your hydroponic garden, peppers are a great choice. Alright, health nuts, this one's for you. Kale, the king of greens, is a nutritional powerhouse that's taking the hydroponic world by storm. And for good reason. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's incredibly versatile in the kitchen, and it's surprisingly easy to grow hydroponically. Now, kale is a bit like that friend who's always up for an adventure. It's a hardy plant that can tolerate a wide range of temperatures, making it a great choice for both indoor and outdoor hydroponic gardens. Plus, it's relatively pest and disease resistant, so you can spend less time worrying about your plants and more time enjoying the fruits, or should I say, greens, of your labor. One of the best things about growing kale hydroponically is that you can harvest it multiple times throughout the growing season. Just snip off the outer leaves as needed, and the plant will continue to produce more. So, if you're looking for a nutrient-packed, easy-to-grow, and incredibly delicious addition to your hydroponic garden, kale is the way to go. And last but not least, we've got chives, the gateway herb for aspiring hydroponic gardeners. These little guys are incredibly easy to grow, they add a subtle oniony flavor to a variety of dishes, and they look absolutely adorable in any hydroponic setup. Now, chives are like that friend who's always welcome at the party. They're not the life of the party, but they add a subtle charm and sophistication that everyone appreciates. Similarly, chives might not be the star of the show in your hydroponic garden, but they're a welcome addition that will enhance the flavors of your other plants. One of the best things about growing chives hydroponically is that you can harvest them year-round. Just snip off what you need and they'll keep coming back for more. So if you're looking for an easy, rewarding, and flavorful addition to your hydroponic garden, chives are a great place to start. Well, that's it for our hydroponic plant picks. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, growing your own food doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With hydroponics, you can enjoy fresh, flavorful produce all year round no matter where you live. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more hydroponics content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And be sure to let me know in the comments what you're growing in your hydroponic gardens. Until next time, happy growing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content on hydroponics and gardening.